Hey everyone, if you want the best Shopify free trial offer available, click my link in the description first. That link takes you to the official sign-up page and unlocks the current exclusive deal. You get a free Shopify trial for 3 days, and then you get Shopify for 3 full months for just $1 per month. That is 97% off the usual price. People call this the Shopify 3-month free trial, and it is basically the closest thing to a Shopify free trial, 90 days. Style deal you will find, because you are paying almost nothing. This offer can change anytime, so open my link in the description now so you do not lose it. Now, let me show you how to get Shopify free trial access step by step. After you click my link, simply enter your email address and hit the button to start free trial. Create a password, then answer the few quick questions. If you want a full website, make sure you choose online store. If you are still deciding on a niche, do not overthink it. Just pick something for now because you can change it later inside the dashboard. Next, you will see the plans. For most beginners, the basic plan is the best starting point. You will be asked to add payment details to activate the offer, but you will not be charged the subscription fee until your initial free trial ends. This part is crucial because if you do not choose a plan, your store stays limited and you cannot remove the password. So when you are ready to go live, pick a plan to lock in that 97% off savings. Once inside the Shopify dashboard, your goal during the Shopify trial is to build. You do not need coding skills. Shopify gives you templates you can customize with drag and drop tools. Update your homepage, colors, and logo. Then add products by uploading photos and descriptions, or connect a dropshipping app like DSers to import them. Also, set up your payments so you can actually get paid using credit cards, PayPal, or Apple Pay. When you are ready to launch, go to your online store settings and remove the password so the site is public. That is the secret to how to get Shopify for free access quickly. Most people search for how to get Shopify free trial and then do nothing. Do not waste this. Use the 3 days to build, then extend it with the Shopify 3-month free trial deal for $1 per month. This gives you time to market without financial pressure. So again, click my link in the description right now to get the Shopify trial deal while it is available. You get the free trial, followed by the Shopify 90-day free trial style offer with 97% off. Start today and get ahead of everyone still just thinking about it.